In this video, I will show you how to create these styles using the warp tool. I have prepared some duplicates. Here in the vector area, we go to New Warp Group, where we see a total of 9 options. We will start with the first one. You can see that some nodes have been added, which we can position and modify as we wish. We can also move several nodes at the same time. Let me zoom in a little closer. If we select the nodes from the first and third rows, we can create this wave effect. Sorry, but here you can see that you can also reposition the lines. In the Layers panel, you can see that it is now a warp group and our text layer is inside it. With the shortcut T, we can also change the text content at any time. And with the node tool, shortcut A, we can also change the warp effect at any time. And as you already know from my other video, we can make the node sharp. Okay, let's move on to the next option. Here we have a total of 4 nodes. We can add more by double-clicking where we want them, or simply moving the lines yourself. I will remove the nodes with the delete key, or Command Z to undo, and just move the line. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Depending on the design, this option may or may not be suitable. For mockups or other designs it's perfect. I will make an extra video about this. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I will remove this one to make some space. Here you can set the value and also change it in the other direction. And as with all the others, you can change the text. If you don't want to change it anymore, you can also convert it to a curve using the shortcut Command Return, or simply right-click and select Convert to Curve. And you can also add everything together to form a single curve or shape. I personally never use the next 2 options, but maybe they will be useful for some of you. By the way, All these effects can also apply to other shapes, not just text. With this option, you can see the effect more clearly if you have more text. And the last option, again, is more visible with more text. And as already mentioned, you can also apply the warp tool to other shapes. Please leave a subscribe. It motivates me to keep going.